Welcome to part 3 of the Working with Android Enterprise using ZENworks video series. In this video, we shall demonstrate how Peter, an employee in the sales department of XYZ Corporation, enrolls his device in the work profile mode. Before Peter begins enrolling his device, Roger, the administrator of XYZ Corporation, needs to ensure that the prerequisites required to enroll the device are met, after which Roger can go ahead and invite Peter to enroll the device. You can view the demonstration of these tasks in the prerequisites video, which is a part of this video series. Roger invites Peter to enroll his device to ZENworks. He sends an invite email to Peter. To do this, he navigates to the user source which Peter is a part of and clicks Action Invite User. In the invite email, Roger selects the language in which the contents of the email should be displayed. However, the language in which the email will be sent will be based on the language selected in the assigned mobile enrollment policy. Roger can also select the MDM server to which Peter should enroll. The server name will appear in the invite email as soon as Roger hits the send button. Peter can view this invite email on any other device or the web email client. Roger can customize the contents of this email in the Events and Messaging section. The MDM server selected by Roger in the invite letter will resolve to the host name system variable predefined in this template. Peter can now begin enrolling his device. He simply needs to click the ZENworks app link in the invite email or scan the QR code, which will redirect him to the Google Play Store on the device. Peter installs the ZENworks Agent app. He now needs to log into the app with the credentials provided in the invite letter. As soon as Peter logs in, he follows the prompts to set up a work profile device, after which the work profile is automatically set up on the device. Peter needs to ensure that he does not interrupt this setup process. When the work profile is set up on the device, a badge icon is attached to the ZENworks Agent app icon and other work apps. Henceforth, any work app assigned to Peter can be identified with this badge icon. Roger can verify the enrollment status of Peter's device, which should be displayed as enrolled in work profile mode.